Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small TEMU painting I got from an order. I ordered a long time ago. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So this painting is just one painting, but it is a little large and it's a little bit different. As you can see, it's on a clear cover, and it's because this painting is a double adhesive as well. I know, I believe my previous TEMU, one of my previous TEMU paintings was a double adhesive. Around the time when I was doing these orders, I didn't notice the difference between a double adhesive and a regular standard painting. So when I received these and I saw, where are these bags? And when I pulled them out, I saw, oh, so they're double adhesive. And this one is as well. So let me pull everything out of it. This bag does keep it kind of secure. And it's a kind of a bubble mailer, so I really appreciate that. And the canvas is, let me just unfurl it real quick. It's a little sturdy. I believe it's kind of a, I didn't know it had a multiplacer. It is a little, kind of makes me think of nylon. Kind of feels like it, and the shine on it kind of gives me that idea. And these are the tools that come with it. So these are your diamonds, and this is your standard kit, just a little bit fancier. And just in case you need to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the pen, and the wax. And all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray, press the pen onto the wax, press it onto the diamonds, press onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if it breaks or it runs away or if you accidentally lose it somewhere, your next canvas has your back. Standard kits always come in pretty much all canvases, so don't worry about it. This one, it is a little fancier because it does include some resealable bags, which is really useful if you have any spare diamonds. And all of it is in a resealable bag. I really love these bags because I reuse them. I'm a big fan of that. And just to let you know, this painting is a square painting. For some reason, all the double adhesives I pick up, they're square. I don't know why. I don't know if there's a specific style for it. But this is the image of the painting. It's a wonderful little white cat floating through space with these colorful clouds. I fell in love when I saw this image. I think it's so cute. The little kitty cat is cute. I love all the colors of the canvas. And as you can see, these are the diamonds. They're in those itty bitty little bags, but I really do like them. I got into the habit because I watched a previous diamond painter that her standard use for these little bags, instead of trying to kit up everything in storage, she would just get one bag of what color she's going to work on, open the bag, and use up all the color. She wouldn't have to store them. I thought that was so smart, and I'm actually trying it with another double adhesive painting I have that has these little bags, and it works perfectly, so I have no problems. I would just have to sit down, I decide, I'm going to paint this painting for an hour, pull out one of these little bags, cut it open, and start painting. I like the idea of it. It kind of, for me, it feels kind of like I have a deadline. Like I have to finish the diamonds because when am I going to put them away? I kind of like that idea. And as you can see, all of these wonderful pastel colors. That's why I fell in love with this canvas. There's a lot of pastel in this one. I really like this blue. And this is the painting. As much as you can see, because it's the side, the little white kind of release paper on it. It does. It feels like a release paper. It has that kind of, I'm just unfurling it. I'm just furling it the opposite so it can stop curling up on me. This poor painting has been put away a long time, so I can see why it keeps wanting to curl back up. As you can see, you can't see the painting. Suspense. So the reason being is when you lift this, the glue comes with it. That's why it's called a double adhesive. The newer modern canvases, they have poured glue. So if you pick up the clear covering and you touch the drill field, it sticks because it already has it. But double adhesive was the style that it was for paintings back then. You would have to actually be real careful. And I'm going to see if I can do it in this corner. When you lift the paper, make sure the adhesive stays on the canvas. As you can see, I'm being real careful. You can actually see the shine of the adhesive. I believe it might be catching on camera. If I ever touch it, it sticks. So the paper actually holds the adhesive. So if you just pull it off just randomly like a band-aid, the adhesive might come with it, which will not, it'll stay on the paper. It will not be on the canvas. And that is a whole nother headache you'd have to have to correct, because you'd have to find a way to get the adhesive off the paper and get it back on the canvas. I've been really, really careful whenever I, decide to do some of these double adhesives. So that's why when I peel them back really slowly, making sure it's still staying on the canvas. Oh my goodness, just doing that makes me nervous. And you can remove it after you successfully remove it and the adhesive stays on the canvas. You can use just standard release paper and cover it and remove them and start painting. I do not recommend at all to do the washi tape method with this paper, because this paper is the holder of the adhesive. So if you were to put in washi tape, cut it out, and remove the piece, you're removing the adhesive as well. Just a little tip, because I've seen a painter do that by accident. So just want to let you all know, in case you've never really worked with a double adhesive painting. I really do like it. I have no problems with it. It's just I just have to be real careful when I peel it. I have a lot of release paper, so that's why I make sure to put it. So some information about the painting. It is X420795. And it's a 30 by 40. And it has so many colors. Legend does not have a number. So it does include a little slip of paper with the diamonds. So let me open this real quick. Apologies for all the crinkly noise. But they're diamonds, so of course they're going to have the crinkly noise. That making sure they're not slipping out. Ooh, goodness, all the little packets want to be free. Oh my goodness. I really love these pastel colors. I really want to start this canvas, but I need to finish a whole bunch of other ones before I can start this one. And the total number of colors is 30. Yeah, I could see it. The other double adhesive I'm working on is 30 as well, and as you can see all of the different colors. So as you saw in the legend on the canvas, it's not numbered. Myself, I just use a marker and number it up, because when I kit up this, well, since I'm kind of not going to kit it up, but I do prefer seeing the numbers. I have no idea why. It's just my preferred. I guess it's visually, for me, I know, ooh, it has an order. I think. I don't know. That's what I'm assuming. So let's explain the little paper. The little papers are really neat. And they do include some steps in case you're new to double adhesive. Some instructions on, what I just stated, removing the paper and all of that. Making sure the glue is still on the canvas. And it has photos for step by step. Cute little image of the kitty cat floating in space. I think it's cute. It's random, but I think it's such a cute image. It's a happy little kitty face just floating on a cloud, flying through space, as happy as you can be. And I love all the pastel colors, as I said before. So the diamonds are in DMC code, which I'm a big fan of since I do store my leftover drills. And the legend it's kind of a mix match. It has capital letters, numbers, and symbols in a specific order. So whatever kind of symbol you're working on, you probably will have to look at the legend to see which specific symbol that I have to use. I've seen some diamond painters draw little symbols. I think I might do that. There's a raindrop symbol, and let me see, I saw another one, kind of a turnaround symbol, an arrow pointing to the right, and two diamonds. Yeah, I can draw that. I can draw them either on the little bags on the side, or if I'm going to pour them in a tray, little symbol on the tray so I know when I'm painting. Maybe I might look into it. The number here in the middle, as you can see here, how it says pack, and then there's numbers. It's a number of packs there are for a specific color. So let me grab one, since I already opened the package, so I can explain a little more clearly what I need. And I'll grab this little yellow one. It's all by itself. So this number is 3822, which is the letter R. It states here it's one pack. This number corresponds to the number of packs there are for each color. These are really useful for myself. When I'm painting, I noticed, am I short a color, or is it really that little of a color? I know, it's only one pack, that's fine. when I used to kit up these small little packages, I used to keep count. So, for example, color 939 has 8 packs. So when I was kitting them up, I made sure to count, okay, so there's all 8. And each pack has its own identifying number. So I would just pour them out, kit it up, and I knew, ooh, all 8 packs are there. Perfect. Move on to the next color. But since I've been working from the packs now, I do like that I know, oh, this color only has 1. So I try to start off with the least number of packs just so I can get ahead. Depending on the section I'm working on, because I am not brave to remove it and start working the whole canvas. I am not that brave. Not anymore, because that's how I first started. Lesson learned. Don't do that unless you're feeling brave. So that's what these numbers correspond, which I'm a big fan of because it helps a lot. And it corresponds to the number each pack has of the quantity. So to 7 packs, we'll have a total of 1,301 diamonds of our lovely 3865. For me, since I've been keeping count every time I finish a painting of how many diamonds I've placed, I've had to do I had to do math. Oh my goodness, shocker. Of how many diamonds I've placed for especially my TEMU paintings. Luckily, this one has the number of each pack, so I can get the total at the end. So I know this painting I've placed these many diamonds. And as you can see, as I said, this is a square painting. And I really do like these diamonds. To me, they are a little more subtle. They're not as shiny, but once you place them on a canvas, they actually start looking really, really nice. And the canvas starts looking real cute. Yeah, the little cute kitty. So I'm a big fan of it. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show. Oh, before that, I am going to put an image here of the little kitty cat, just in case that is too small. And it's too small, you can't see it too clearly. But all I can say is that I love the pastel colors of this painting. And that's what won me over when I first picked it up. So I'm a big, big fan of it. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. My Temu orders are a little bit behind, so I might not show a Temu painting in my supposed Temu painting video. So I'm thinking of doing my 10-minute chats on Mondays, working on a Temu painting, so, it can still be Temu involved. Yeah, I think I might do that. Till I can get my orders to come in. Everything, since right now, currently, it's Black Friday sale, so everything right now is kind of taking a little bit longer to get delivered and shipped. So I have no problems with that. I have more than enough Temu paintings to work on. And I have more than enough 10 minutes to give you all a quick chat. So again, if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there. And it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Double adhesive and all. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.